Hi there everyone, let's try some beautiful pieces from my collection. Okay, beautiful colors, bright colors, that's what we're gonna try on today. This is green. I'm gonna put on a green set. This is a necklace. Five layers. That's just a necklace. Earrings to go with it. Is it? If you want a bracelet to go with it, this is the bracelet. This is the bracelet. A ring, one size fits all. You can reduce, you can increase. This is it. And then that is it for the green. How do I look? Okay. Okay. Blue. For the blue, we have this, which is 5 layers, and this is made up of 8mm beads. We have another one. This one is still 5 layers. It is 6mm. So this one, the beads are kind of like a little bit smaller, and you have this, which are kind of bigger. So let me try the big one. This is the blue, and then cluster earrings to go with it. This is it. This is the blue, and then with the blue, you can like go with any bracelet of your choice, and with that, this one don't have a matching bracelet, so I'm gonna go with this. And the ring is one size fit all. You just expand and you put it on. So this is it, and you're all blue and ready to go. Say hello summer. Hello summer. So this is it. Hello beautiful. Okay, so this is the blue. Has a beautiful ring, flower ring to go with your blue. Okay, let's try yellow. Okay, let's try the beautiful yellow set. This is yellow. This is yellow is, I mean, it's kind of difficult to have yellow beads or anything yellow to work with. And yellow is, I like yellow a lot. It's very beautiful color. So this yellow necklace, I think it's just one of its kind. We just have just one there. This is yellow. And then these beautiful earrings to go with. It's kind of a little bit different because it's difficult to have yellow, say, yellow beads to work with. So at times, like, you start with, say, a little bit lighter yellow, and you want to author more, you don't have it, you're going to have something like this, which is more intense yellow, kind of like a deep yellow. So that's why you see it's not really like coordinating. It's not like we can have a set because I didn't have a lot. So this yellow, I hope it's not bad. Yeah, for those who like yellow, bright color, brighten your day with bright colors, bright accessories. So this is the yellow, just the yellow earring. This is it. Okay, and then this is the bracelet and the necklace. Maybe you can get it and you get a gold earring to go with it. I think that's the best, this one. And you can get a gold earring to go with this. So I think the last we have to try is the red. Red is a color that calls for attention. Red calls for attention. Okay, let me try. It's just me putting it on, so it's gonna take forever. Okay, so this is it. Let me fix it to my fringes. A ring, one size fit all. You like reduce and you can expand. All depends on you. So okay, for the red we have two. This one is 8, the beads are 8 millimeters. This one 6, and the bigger the more beautiful, so I'm gonna go with the 8. But if you're somebody that you like things kind of cool, you can go with the smaller one. So this is the red. So this is the red, and we have red earrings to go with, a little cluster. This is it. This is the red. And remember, they are not like sold together on the website. You can also email me to put it together for you if you can't find everything on the website. I'm gonna get the ring, the bracelet, the earring, and the necklace and put it together for you. Other than that, you have just a necklace so that people can like choose. But we have a few pieces put together where you have jewelry set. We have the set. So other than that, you can like contact me and I put the everything together, give you a discount since you are getting a set, and I give you the the total. So this is it for the beautiful colors that we have, or the beautiful color sets that we have available. And also you can like have this beautiful love ring. Yep. And there you go. So we have everything for people of almost all ages. This one is for mature women, they like it, but if you're somebody that is young and you like it, that's fine. Also we have this. It says it's going to take forever. I put it here and put it here. This one is 3 layer, this one is 2, this one is 3. So this is it. It's going to take forever if I have to put it by myself. Let me see. So this one is 3 and then the other one is 2, so it's gonna be something like this. So thank you all for watching, and don't forget to stop by my website to see other beautiful handcrafted pieces. Other than that, subscribe to my YouTube channel, click on the notification button so when I like post new videos you get it. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much. Stop by my website to have beautiful handcrafted products. Have a blessed day.